What's good? I'm Ben Kaysen, and this is my life. I am 16 years old, and I am a junior at South Central High School. In my free time, I like to chill, listen to music. I like Travis Scott, Don Toliver, and Drake. I like to hang out with some friends. I like to play basketball from time to time. And I like to make art, in which I am planning to go to college for graphic design. Speaking of, that's my brother. He is 20 years old and he graduated from South Central. This is my mom. She is a medical coder for ECU and a cancer at St. Gabriel's.